In this video, we'll show you how to make and return phone calls using Apple CarPlay. This requires an iPhone with the latest software connected with the vehicle, and Apple CarPlay must be enabled. Once enabled, you will see the Apple CarPlay icon on the home screen. Select Apple CarPlay. This will take you to the Apple CarPlay home screen. To initiate a call, select the phone icon. At this point, Siri starts and asks you who to make the call to.
Who are we calling?
If you don't respond to Siri, then you'll see the phone interface screen, which looks and functions much like a normal iPhone display. Now you see 5 basic phone features to choose from: Favorites, Recents, Contacts, Keypad, and Voicemail. Swipe the Contacts screen up and down through the list, or you can scroll through quickly using the up and down arrows. Touch the contact name or number to initiate a call. Returning a call? Just as easy. Select the Recents option from the phone menu. Scroll to the call you wish to return and tap the name or number. Here again, the interface is very similar to what you would normally see on the iPhone. When the vehicle is parked, you can access voicemail and keypad functions in the same manner we just covered. Complete iPhone integration, and that includes Siri voice activation features. You can access Siri using the steering wheel controls. Call home.
Calling home. Home.
And the steering wheel controls can also be used to answer incoming calls and end calls. Making and returning calls with Apple CarPlay is an integrated feature with the new standard audio system for your Kia and your iPhone. For more information, visit the Kia Feature video channel. Refer to the Car Multimedia System User's Manual and the Quick Start Guide that came with your new Kia. Thanks for watching.